Students, how are you? Today we'll solve from Boni book, revision, primary, second term, February revision. Look at with me about question number 1. First, the type diagram represents division half divided by 2 is what? Half divided by 2, it's meaning half of this type diagram divided 2 parts equality. We have this type diagram, we have half divided by 2, divide it 2 parts equality. Okay, choose the first one, half divided by 2. Next example, question number 2. The reciprocal of 2/7, it will be 7/2. Number 3, 7.1 times 0.3. We can write 3 times 1 equal 3, 3 times 7 equal 21, and the point after one place and one place it will be 2 places. Next question. Number 4, the ratio between 35 to 20, we can simplify it by divided by 5. 35 divided by 5 equals 7, and 20 divided by 5 equals 4. The ratio will be 7 to 4. Question number 5. If 3/7 equal 12/x, then the value of x equal what? We know 7 by what here? 3 times 4 equal 12, then 7 reduced by 4 equal 28. The result here it will be 28. Question number 6. If Uthman has 45 Egyptian lira and Ismail has 45 Egyptian lira, find the ratio or the ratio between what Ismail to Uthman, the ratio between Ismail to Uthman. 45 Ismail has 45 Egyptian lira and Uthman has 54. We can simplify them by divided by what? Divided by 9. 45 divided by 9 equals 5, and 54 divided by 5 equals 6. The ratio will be 5 to 6. Question 7. We have 5.3 pounds, 2 piastres, by product by 100. The result will be 530. Question number E. The type diagram represents 5 divided by third. 5 divided by third. It's meaning we have 5 type diagram. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and divide each one of them to 3 parts. Choose third one. Choose this. Okay. Next example. Reciprocal of 9, it will be 1/9. Reciprocal of 9, it will be 1/9. Question 10. 6 or 3/6 divided by what equal 1? Divided by itself. 3/6 divided by half, it will be 1. We can write 3/6 or half. Write half. Choose half from the result. Question 11. 3 divided by 0.7 or space divided by 7. We product here by 10. Product by 10 because the divisor here decimal. Convert from decimal to whole number, product by 10. The result will be 630. The result will be 630. Question 12. Which of the following, which of the ratio equals 1/5? 1/5 here, product by 5 numerator and denominator, or 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 5 equals 20. The result will be 4/20. Question 13. 24 to 48, we can divide it by 24. 24 divided by 24, 1. 48 divided by 24 equal 2. The result will be E. Okay, next question. Last question 1 to 2. This question here, number 14. 2A equals 7B. Then the ratio between B to A equal what? To what? We know 2a equals 7b, it's meaning a over b equal a product by 2, write 2 here, and b product by 7, because the product of extremes equal product of means. Then the ratio between b to a, b over a, it will be 2 over 7. Then you can write 2 over 7, write the inverse about this fraction. b over 8 will be 2 over 7. Question 15. The ratio of two numbers 1 to 4. The first number was 7, then the second number, the first to the second here. The first number was 7, then the second number will be what? We know 1 product by 7 equals 7, then 7 product by 4 equals 28, then the second number will be 28. Next example. Question 16. If x and ratio 8 to x minus 1 equals 6 to 12, then the value of x equal what? We can write 8 over x minus 1 equals 6 over 12, it will be half. Then 8 over x minus 1 equal half. We can find the value of x by 1. X minus 1 equal what? We know 8 divided by 8 equal 1. Then which number divided by 8 equal 2? It will be 16. Then x minus 1 equal 16. Okay. If we put here 16, then 8 over 16, it will be 1 over 2. Then x minus 1, we must write here 16. Then the value of x will be what? What's the number? Subtract from it 1, it will be 16. The result will be 17. This is the number will be 17. Next question. The division operation represented by the following type diagram equal what? Look at with me here. We have 3 parts and colored from it. Of each one of them, it will be 4. He colored 2 parts from 3, colored 2 parts from 3, and divided each one to 3 parts. Then 4 parts, okay, 2 over 3 divided by 4. Okay. Understood? He divided it to 3 parts, and each one divided to 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And here 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then first we have 2 over 3 parts divided 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 over 3 divided by 4. Next example, he won't write 4 over 7 product by 5 over 4. Right here 4 over 7 divided the inverse about 5 over 4, it will be 4 over 5. Question 19. Which ratio is the following equal third? Third, it will be 10 over 30, because if we divided 10 numerator and denominator, the result will be 1 over 3. Question 20. 175 divided by 125. We can simplify it by divided by 125 to find the ratio in the simplest form, or divided by 25. 25 and here 175 divided by 25 equal what? We know 6 or 5 times 25 equal 125, and 7 product by 25 equal 175. Okay, 7 times 5 35, write 5 and carry up 3. 2 times 7 14 plus 3 equal 70. Next example, question 21. If 1 to x equal 1 to x equals 0.8, we can write 1 over x equals 0.8. It will be 8 over 10. We can find the value of x. 1 product by 8 equal 8, and then 8 times what equal 10? He won't find here the value of x. 8 times 1 equal 10. We can write this number will be what? 8 and 10. 10 times 1 divided by 8. You can write simplest, or you can write the product of extremes equal product of means. Okay, x equal 1 product by 10 over 8, and then you can simplest this result by divided by 2, numerator and numerator. 10 divided by 2 equal 5, 8 divided by 2 equal 4, and then you can simplest it. 5 divided by 4 equal 1, and the remainder 1. The result will be 1 and 1 over 4, or you can write 1 by 2 and 5. Next question. Question 22. 2.310, or comparing between two numbers, 2,300 kilogram. Here product by 1,000. Move the point right hand side by 3 places, then it will be equal to. Question 23. The division operation represent the diagram. It will be what? We have 3 parts colored 3 parts, and divided each one to 1 over 3. We have 3 divided by 1 over 3. 3 parts colored divided by each one reversed to 1 over 3. Okay. Question 24. Any number multiplied by its reciprocal, it will be 1. The result will be 1. Question 25. 3 is equivalent, 3 over 5 equivalent to what? By product by 5 numerator and numerator. 3 times 5, 15. 5 times 5, 25. It's equivalent 15 over 25. Next example. If an amount of food distributed between 2 people in the ratio 4 to 3 by first and second, then what is the first? What is the first if the second? What is the ratio? Okay, what is the first to the total? He won't find the first to the total. First will be 4 and the total will be 7. 4 plus 3 is 7. He won't find the ratio between first and total. The total will be what? 4 plus 3 equals 7. Then the ratio between first and total, it will be 4 to 7. Write 4 over 7. About this question 26. Next question. Question 27. The ratio between the parameter of square and its side lengths. We have square here. You won't find the ratio between parameter. It will be 4. We have 4 sides equality. 4 to 1. We have 4 sides to 1 side length. The ratio will be 4 to 1. Question 28. 2 to 9 is equivalent to what? 2 to 9, we can product numerator and numerator by 5. Product by 5, numerator and numerator. 2 times 5 equal 10, and 5 times 9 equal 45. Okay. Or we can product by what? Here 2 and 9 product by 9. We can product by 9. 2 to 9. We can product by 9. 2 times 9 equal 18, and 2 times 9 equal 81. Choose number 2. Question 29. If 3 to 5 is equivalent 12 to 4x, then x equal. We have the ratio between 3 and 5 equivalent 12 to 4x. We know 3 product by 4 equal 12. And then 4 times 5 equal what? Equal 20. Then 4x will be equal 20. We can divide it divided by 4 to find the value of x. 20 divided by 4 equal 5. And the value of x will be 5. Question 30. The number space is reciprocal of itself. It will be 1 because 1 divided by 1 equal 1. We can inverse it. Question 31. 2 over 5 reciprocal space, reciprocal of 5, which is a more 2 over 5 or 1 over 5. We have 2 over 5 because the reciprocal of 1 over 5 it will be 5. He give us 5. He won't find the reciprocal of 5. It will be 1 over 5. Question 32, which of the following in the simplest form 9/17? Because the height common factor between them, it will be 1. Okay, the height common factor between them equal 1, the simplest form. Question 33, 9 to 12 in the simplest form, we can divide it by 3, it will be 3 to 4, divided by 3 two numbers. Space are equivalent ratio here. We have two numbers, 3 times 5, 15, 2 times 10, we know. And we have 12 divided by 2 equals 6, no. We can choose what? 9, half of 18, but 2/6, not half. We can write 12/15 in the simplest form by divided by 3, it will be 4, and it will be 5. 15 divided by 3 equal 5. And 16/20 divided by 4, numerator and numerator. 16 divided by 4 equal 4, 20 divided by 4 equal 5. Then you must choose the third one. Next example, question 35. 5 to x equivalent 0.2, then the value of x equal what? We know 5/x, it will be 0.2, it will be 2/10. Then we can find the value of x by using the rule, the product of extremes equal product of means. Write 5 product by 10 divided by 2, 5 times 10, 50 divided by 2 equal 25. Next question, 3/4 product by 4/3. The inverse, right? 4/3. The result will be 1. Reciprocal of the number base is 1 and 2/3. We know 1 and 2/3, we can convert this fraction. Okay, you want to find the reciprocal of this number. Write 3 in the numerator, 1 times 3 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. Then the reciprocal about this number, it will be 3/5. The result will be reciprocal, it will be 3/5. 3/5. Next question. Question 38, the ratio between the parameter of a quadrilateral triangle. We have 3 sides. If the side here will length, then the parameter L plus L plus L equals 3L. You want to find the ratio between the parameter and its side lengths. We can divide it by L. The result will be 3 to 1. The ratio 3 to 1. Question 39. If x/15 equal 1/3, he won't find x plus 3. We know 15 divided by 5 equal 3, then x divided by 5 equal 1, then the value of x, it will be 5. He won't find 5 plus 3, it will be 8. The result here, it will be 8. Question 40. We have 2/3 divided by 1/5. We can write 2/3 and write the reciprocal about 1/5, 5. 2 times 5 equal 10, 10/3. You can simplify it by convert from the to mixed number. 3 times 3 equal 9 and the remainder 1. The result will be 3 and 1/3. Question 41. Space divided by 1/4 equal 1/3. We can find this number by write divisor multiplication with the quotient to find the dividend. Put here x, then x will be equal third product by fourth. The result will be 1/12. It's the value of x. Question 42. 14/15 and 3/4 are what? We can sample this fraction by divided by what? We have 14 and 15. It's not equivalent. We can't write this in the simplest form, okay? Because 14 and 15, the height common factor between them equal 1. Then we can choose not equivalent ratios. Next question 43, the ratio between two numbers 3 to 5, first to second, the ratio was 3 to 5. And the first number was 9, then the second will be what? We know 3 times 3 equal 9, then 5 times 3 equal 15. In the second number, it will be 15. If 3x equal 4y, then x to y, it will be what? We know 3x, its meaning what? We can find the ratio between x and y. 3x, its meaning x product by 3, and 4y, its meaning 4 times y. Then the ratio between x and y, it will be 4 to 3.